Hi, we're here with the architect, Mr. Ram Koolhaas. Hello, Mr. Koolhaas.
Hello.
It's good to see you. So, how are you today?
I'm doing pretty well.
All right, good. Then, so, where are you from exactly?
Well, I was born in Rotterdam, Netherlands, in 1944.
1944. Oh, good. So, which architecture do you work at? Firm, me.
Well, I actually don't work for a firm. I
Oh,
co-founded a firm, and it's pretty famous. It's OMA. And it stands for Office for Metropolitan Architecture. And I co-founded that in 1974. I mean, 1975.
great. So, let's start with the background question. And so let's start the question about your most recent work, Seattle Public Library. So what is very special about the design itself?
So the design, well, let me begin with why I designed the building. Well, in 1998, I was commissioned by Seattle to design a library that just, it's all about the celebration of books. So instead of having a library where the books conform to the structure, I wanted the the functions such as the books and the technology within it to mold the structure. And through that, I decided to have a spiraling ramp that goes up to the top of the library. And I did that so that the ordering of the books would not be broken. So it follows the Dewey Decimal System perfectly, as in your traditional libraries where the different sections are separated and you have to walk all across the library. But this one, it allows you to access everything you need in one continuous path.
And I see like design is very interesting in itself and not traditional. And how is the building itself is like environmentally sustainable or friendly?
So because it's the flagship of the public library system, so it's just this center where everyone could access it. It's a community center, and because it holds that position, I wanted it to be accessible to the public, so that multiple forms of public transportation runs through the library, so it reduces the carbon footprint. And also, if you notice the design, I mean, the structure of the building, it's full of windows, glass windows, and I just wanted to maximize the amount of natural light that could go through, which reduces the need for artificial lighting, which saves electricity.
So in the last answer, you mentioned about the community center. And then can you explain why is it important?
So the community center is a place for everyone it's a place where everyone is able to access it. So, for example, I wanted people of all ages to pursue knowledge in that building. And it's different because of how it integrates both technology and the traditional forms of knowledge, which are books. So it appeals to all ages. So, and I also made it accessible to people based on their maturity levels through the level system, the floors, positioning of the floors. So, for example, on the first floor, there's the children's center, and because they're the ones that need the most assistance, they have the floor that is most easily accessible. And on the second floor, there's the teenager section, and above that, we have computer labs, and above that, we have our book stacks, and above that, finally, we have our offices. So each floor appeals to each level of maturity.
So I would like to ask you more questions to you, but it's unfortunate that we are running out of time. So it was great to have you in here and interview about the Sierra Library and about you. So have a nice day.
Oh, yeah, thank you for having me speak. Goodbye.